Today I'm going to film a tutorial new products I picked up from Sephora because they're having their sale right now. So thought I should try them out and see how they are. First gonna start with this Dior Backstage Face and Body Glow. If I can open it. Most of the stuff I got were recs from Makeup by Kellyanne on Instagram. This is it. I got the color Universal. I don't know if they have other colors, but I'm just going to put a little on the back of my hand. I could mix it in with the foundation too, but I'm just going to apply this all over. This does have a fragrant scent to it, for sure. So, if you don't like scented, strong smelling scented makeup, you might not like this. It's very light. That's what I've noticed so far. So next new product I got was the Dior Backstage Air Flash Spray Foundation. I'm gonna shake this and spray it onto the back of my hand. I hope this is the right color. My self tan is almost off, so may not match perfectly. Okay, don't like that brush. Okay, I'm gonna take this Makeup by Mario brush, start blending, and then it really melted into my skin. This is supposed to be more coverage than the Armani. Feels pretty much the same to me. Okay, I'm just gonna keep blending that. So this is what it looks like on. It says you can put more on to build more coverage, but I don't really want to do that. I feel like I already used a lot. I don't know about this yet. Let's see. Continue with the rest of the makeup. I'm going to use this Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is not new, but I love it. Just put this all over. And then take my foundation brush and just blend that in. I'm thinking I might pick up some more stuff from Sephora just because there are some things I wanted but they didn't have in store, so I'm gonna order them online. They are selling out of stuff, so I need to place that order soon. Next, I'm going to take concealer. Use my NARS. Hit my hand where it started tingling. Mine is the color Creme Brulee. Just do it up. I'm actually gonna put some on my eyelid to cover my veins. I'm just gonna use the foundation brush to blend that in. Using this flat brush for the concealer. This is not from Sephora, but it is new. It's a Flower Beauty color for eyes and lips, and this is the color Caramel. So I'm just gonna take that all up, put it on my eyelid for a base. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one and blend that. It's not too pigmented, but it does give a nice color to the eyelids. I got this Pat McGraw Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. And these are the colors. Very pretty. I'm probably going to take this shade, which is Eclectic, and put that on a fluffy brush and blend that over my eyelid. Oh wow, that is pigmented. That's great. I literally am doing the lightest, taking the lightest amount, and it's just so pigmented. It's just coming off. I understand why people like this now. I'm just blending in my crease. I really like that eyeshadow. I'm gonna take Palladium. No, this brown. Palladium. I'm terrible at pronouncing stuff. Just gonna put my finger and then put it on my eyelid. I think I'm going to take this lighter shade, the Heavenly Body, and put that on the center of my lid. I'm going to clean them up with concealer again. I'm going to apply some liquid highlight. I'm going to use this Say Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And just tap it in my finger. Next new item that I got was this Patrick Ta 4-Face She's Statuesque Cream Contour and Powdered Bronzer Duo. And this is the light shade, so I'm hoping this is the right color. They didn't have the medium, so hopefully this works. We'll see. Stippling brush. Just I think it's a little cool toned for me. A little too cool toned. Kind of looks like a mummy on me. So, don't think that's the right shade for me, unfortunately. That's sad. I wanted it to work. But, yeah, it just kind of looks... You can't really tell on the camera too much, but it's kind of grayish. I don't really want gray skin. So, new item I got is this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in Cupcake. And I'm going to put that under my eyes. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. Get a little... one eye compared to the other. My T-zone. Around my twigs. I think it did a good job, like, setting my eyes. I think I'm gonna try to bake with it. I'm gonna use this brush and just carve out my cheeks. Okay, and let that sit. I'm gonna take this One Size Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder. This is it, and I got the color Fair 4 Neutral Rosy Undertones. I'm gonna take this brush again and just get a little and tap it under my eyes. I'm not sure if I love it. Since I don't have a new bronzer, I'm not going to use the Patrick Tall one because I'm returning this, so I'm just not going to use it for powder. But I'm going to try this Flower Beauty Heat Wave Luminous Bronzer. It's very glowy bronzer. So again, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to do a little blush. I'm just going to take this Tarte one, Amazon Clay, in the color Concept. This brush and just... And I also have this Flower Day Glow highlighting glaze, so I'm going to put a little. I like that. I'm going to do the brows next, and I got the Refi Brow Sculpt. And take that. Brush my brows up. I'm going to use this thing at the end. I really like that. It does do a similar job as the NYX Brow Glue. It's like that one dries kind of hard. This one is soft. So it feels nice. I like how it made my brows look. I'll take this. I need to do inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to take the Heavenly Body, put that on the inner corner of my eyes. Like that. Brighten my face, yeah. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Spray. And then do my lips real quick. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't have the lip liner with me, so I'm just going to take this one. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk one, and I think it's nude 2. Or nude pink. Nude pink. I'm going to use this Sephora S Clean Glossy Lip in the color Apricot. This is the final look. I don't know if I like the foundation. Maybe I didn't prime it right, but looks flaky on my skin, and I don't usually have products that do that. And then the Patrick Ta, I have the wrong shade, so I just need to exchange it for the right shade. So, hoping that one won't look muddy on my face. This brow stuff, made my brows look nice. I don't think it really held up. The Huda Beauty one was good, the setting powder. Turn up the base. Might be a little too like heavy for me. I don't know about this one. So these are just like, I don't know what I'm missing. Or like, I don't get it. Maybe I'm using them wrong. I don't know. But this, I just need a different color. Besides that, it's fine. This might be a little too heavy for my personal opinion. I don't like too cakey looking. This, I don't know. This had a very fragrant scent, and I think it would look nice mixed into stuff. I want to play with this a bit more. This highlight is ginormous. I don't think you need one. They have the mini size, so I'll probably get that. But it just like makes the skin look dewy. It's not really highlighty per se. It's not like a typical liquid highlight. It's more dewy look. This I loved it. It was amazing. And this bronzer that I used from Flower is okay. A little pink color, but did the job. Yeah. I liked this brown eye crayon thing. It was a good like base layer. And this was nice too. I like that, the Flower Day Glow highlighting. Thanks for watching this new Sephora makeup / other new makeup with me. And probably be ordering more stuff online. So thanks for watching. Bye.